Hello, food lovers! Today, we're diving into the delicious world of the Mediterranean diet. Imagine sun-drenched landscapes, vibrant cultures, and a way of eating that nourishes both body and soul. That's the essence of the Mediterranean diet. This approach to eating goes beyond just a diet. It's a lifestyle celebrated for its delicious flavors and remarkable health benefits. Across the globe, people are embracing the Mediterranean approach to eating, incorporating its principles into their daily lives. We'll uncover the secrets of this celebrated dietary pattern, exploring its rich history, its scientifically backed advantages, and even some potential drawbacks. Get ready to savor the goodness of the Mediterranean as we embark on a culinary journey. The Mediterranean diet's popularity has skyrocketed, captivating health enthusiasts and foodies worldwide. This region's inhabitants have, for generations, enjoyed a way of life intrinsically linked to fresh, seasonal ingredients and time-honored cooking methods. Today, the Mediterranean diet stands as a testament to the enduring wisdom of these traditional food cultures. Imagine a table laden with the bounty of the Mediterranean: plump olives, juicy tomatoes, and freshly caught fish seasoned with aromatic herbs. The story of the Mediterranean diet begins long before it was a trending topic, back in the cradle of civilization. Imagine ancient Greece, where philosophers pondered life's mysteries over meals of fresh fish, olives, and whole grains. Fast forward to the Roman Empire, where food played a central role in their culture. From the sun-drenched shores of North Africa to the rolling hills of Italy, the Mediterranean diet evolved organically, shaped by the land, the sea, and the people. The Mediterranean region is a mosaic of vibrant cultures, each contributing to the richness of the Mediterranean diet. From the sun-drenched Greek Isles to the rugged coastlines of Spain, each region boasts its own unique culinary traditions. Journey to Morocco, and you'll be greeted by the intoxicating aromas of cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Venture to Italy, and you'll be enchanted by the artistry of Italian cooking. The Mediterranean diet's journey from ancient tradition to modern-day phenomenon gained significant momentum in the mid-20th century, thanks to Dr. Ancel Keys. His landmark study, known as the Seven Countries Study, followed over 12,000 middle-aged men from 7 countries for over 15 years. The study meticulously tracked their dietary habits, lifestyle factors, and health outcomes, revealing a striking correlation between dietary patterns and heart health. The study's findings sparked a surge of interest in the Mediterranean diet, propelling it to the forefront of nutritional science. The true essence of the Mediterranean diet extends far beyond simply what's on your plate. It's a holistic approach to living that embraces the Mediterranean lifestyle in its entirety. Imagine long, leisurely meals shared with loved ones, laughter echoing through sun-drenched courtyards, and a deep appreciation for the simple pleasures of life. Physical activity is another cornerstone of the Mediterranean lifestyle, woven seamlessly into everyday life. The Mediterranean diet isn't about quick fixes or restrictive eating plans. It's a sustainable, enjoyable approach to eating that can be embraced by people of all ages and backgrounds. This way of life emphasizes fresh, whole foods, minimal processing, and a celebration of flavor. The Mediterranean diet's adaptability is one of its greatest strengths, making it a truly inclusive approach to healthy eating. As we age, our nutritional needs evolve, and it becomes increasingly important to nourish our bodies with foods that support optimal health and longevity. The Mediterranean diet, with its emphasis on nutrient-dense foods and its proven health benefits, emerges as a compelling choice for older adults. This dietary pattern's abundance of antioxidants helps combat oxidative stress, a natural process linked to aging and various chronic diseases. The Mediterranean diet's focus on fish, a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, provides additional heart protective benefits. Pregnancy is a time of immense physical and physiological changes, as a woman's body nourishes and supports the growing life within. The Mediterranean diet, with its emphasis on nutrient-rich foods, can be a valuable ally during this transformative journey. This dietary pattern's abundance of folate, found in leafy green vegetables, legumes, and citrus fruits, is especially critical during pregnancy. The Mediterranean diet's inclusion of iron-rich foods like lentils, spinach, and red meat can help pregnant women meet their increased iron requirements. While the Mediterranean diet offers a wealth of health benefits, there are instances where it might not be the most suitable dietary approach. Individuals with certain medical conditions or dietary restrictions may need to consult with a healthcare professional. For those with kidney disease, the Mediterranean diet's typically high intake of potassium-rich foods may need to be adjusted. Similarly, individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, may find that some aspects of the Mediterranean diet can exacerbate their symptoms. The Mediterranean diet has garnered global acclaim, not just for its culinary appeal, but also for its impressive array of health benefits backed by scientific research. Numerous studies have delved into the nutritional powerhouses that make up this dietary pattern. At the forefront of the Mediterranean diet's health benefits is its abundance of antioxidants, compounds found in colorful fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and herbs. The Mediterranean diet's rich antioxidant profile helps combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and promoting cellular health. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, making it more crucial than ever to adopt heart-healthy habits. The Mediterranean diet has emerged as a shining star in the realm of cardiovascular health. One of the key ways the Mediterranean diet benefits heart health is through its emphasis on healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats found abundantly in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. By incorporating these heart-healthy fats into their diets, individuals can take proactive steps toward reducing their risk of heart disease and supporting optimal heart health. The benefits of the Mediterranean diet extend far beyond heart health, encompassing a wide range of potential health advantages that contribute to overall well-being. Research suggests that this dietary pattern may play a role in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, cognitive decline, and even depression. The Mediterranean diet's impact on blood sugar regulation is particularly noteworthy for individuals at risk of or living with type 2 diabetes. Its emphasis on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and healthy fats provides a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This balanced approach to carbohydrate intake, coupled with the diet's fiber content, helps improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. The Mediterranean diet's anti-inflammatory properties may also play a role in reducing insulin resistance, further supporting blood sugar control. Moreover, emerging research suggests that the Mediterranean diet's rich polyphenol content, particularly from olive oil and colorful fruits and vegetables, may offer neuroprotective benefits, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. As we age, our nutritional needs evolve, and it becomes increasingly important to nourish our bodies with foods that support healthy aging and longevity. The Mediterranean diet, with its emphasis on nutrient-dense foods and its well-documented health benefits, emerges as a compelling choice for older adults seeking to maintain their vitality and well-being as they age. This dietary pattern's abundance of antioxidants, found in colorful fruits, vegetables, and olive oil, helps combat oxidative stress, a natural process linked to aging and various chronic diseases. By incorporating these antioxidant-rich foods into their diets, older adults can help protect their cells from damage, supporting healthy aging from the inside out. The Mediterranean diet's focus on social connections and mindful eating further contributes to its potential for promoting healthy aging. Sharing meals with loved ones, savoring each bite, and prioritizing regular physical activity are all integral aspects of the Mediterranean lifestyle, fostering a sense of community, purpose, and overall well-being. By embracing the principles of the Mediterranean diet, older adults can not only nourish their bodies, but also cultivate a lifestyle that promotes longevity, vitality, and joy in the later years of life. While the Mediterranean diet boasts numerous health benefits, it's important to acknowledge that no diet is perfect. One potential downfall is its reliance on high-fat foods like nuts and olive oil, which are calorie-dense. This can lead to weight gain if not balanced with energy expenditure. Additionally, the economic accessibility of the diet can be challenging due to the cost of staple ingredients like fresh seafood and olive oil. Despite its numerous benefits, the Mediterranean diet might pose certain risks and side effects. Understanding these issues is crucial for a healthy lifestyle. High fiber content can cause gastrointestinal distress if increased abruptly. Increase fiber intake gradually and stay hydrated. Seafood allergies can be a concern due to the diet's emphasis on fish. Alternatives like lean poultry or plant-based omega-3s can help. Olive oil and fats can lead to excessive calorie intake. Monitor fat intake to avoid counteracting dietary goals. The social aspects may not fit fast-paced lifestyles. Tailor the diet to individual health profiles to maximize benefits. Ready to savor the flavors of the Mediterranean? Let's dive into some simple, delicious recipes. First up, the classic Greek salad. You'll need tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, olives, feta cheese, and olive oil. Chop the vegetables, crumble the feta, scatter the olives, and drizzle with olive oil. Next, a quick garlic shrimp recipe. Sauté minced garlic in olive oil, add shrimp and cook until pink. Toss in cherry tomatoes and fresh herbs. Serve over quinoa or brown rice. These recipes bring Mediterranean flavors to your table. Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle doesn't require a complete overhaul of your eating habits. Start by embracing small, sustainable changes that can make a big difference in the long run. One of the easiest ways to embrace the Mediterranean way of eating is to make fruits, vegetables, and whole grains the foundation of your meals. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, or a handful of nuts. Experiment with different types of whole grains like quinoa, barley, or farro as a base for salads or as a side dish. These simple swaps can add valuable nutrients and fiber to your diet. Another key aspect of the Mediterranean lifestyle is the emphasis on mindful eating and shared meals. Instead of rushing through meals, take your time to savor each bite, paying attention to the flavors and textures of the food. Make mealtimes a social occasion, gathering with family or friends to enjoy delicious food and meaningful conversations. Remember, the Mediterranean diet is not about deprivation. It's about embracing a way of eating that nourishes both body and soul. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can experience the joy and health benefits of the Mediterranean lifestyle. As we've journeyed through the sun-drenched landscapes and vibrant culinary traditions of the Mediterranean, we've uncovered the secrets behind this celebrated dietary pattern. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a list of foods. It's a way of life, a celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients, and a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient cultures. From the heart-healthy fats of olive oil and nuts to the antioxidant-rich bounty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, the Mediterranean diet provides a delicious and nourishing framework for a long and healthy life. Its emphasis on mindful eating, social connections, and physical activity further enhances its appeal, promoting overall well-being for both body and soul. We've explored the historical roots of this dietary pattern, tracing its origins back to the ancient civilizations that thrived along the Mediterranean Sea. We've delved into the scientific evidence supporting its numerous health benefits, from reducing the risk of chronic diseases to promoting healthy aging and cognitive function. And we've even ventured into the kitchen, whipping up simple yet flavorful recipes that capture the essence of Mediterranean cuisine, proving that healthy eating can be both delicious and enjoyable. While the Mediterranean diet might not be a one-size-fits-all solution, its principles of balance, moderation, and enjoyment offer valuable guidance for health and well-being. By embracing the flavors of the Mediterranean, we can nourish our bodies, connect with loved ones, and savor life's simple pleasures. Let's carry the spirit of the Mediterranean with us, embracing food as a source of joy, connection, and vitality. Here's to a healthier, happier you, inspired by the Mediterranean.